you've already installed the micro SD card into your 7px or 7pxr, you need to take it out so that you can copy some files to it. Once you've done that, pop it into the computer and we'll copy some files over. Once you've downloaded the latest update from the Futaba website, you need to extract the files to their own folder. Some updates will also have another file inside that needs extracting, so go ahead and extract that too. Now the most important thing when you're copying these update files over to the SD card is that you keep the file structure the same. So the main.bin and updata.bin files need to be within this T7px folder inside the update folder inside the Futaba folder as shown here. Now put the micro SD card back into your 7px. To start the update process, you need to press and hold the home button and power on button for a few seconds and you'll see the process begin. Once that's done, you need to power off the 7px and restart it. Once restarted, you can check the version information and see that the update has taken place.